Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. When installing a dishwasher door handle on a custom wood panel, the handle should be centered on the panel and positioned 2 to 5 inches from the top edge. Measure the distance between the screw holes on the handle or the holes where the mounting studs will be inserted. Mark the panel accordingly. Use a 3/16 inch or appropriate size drill bit to drill pilot holes through the front of the panel. Use an appropriate size drill bit to drill out the areas surrounding the screw holes on the back of the panel to countersink the holes. Now insert mounting screws through the back of the panel, making sure the heads of the screws are flush with the panel surface. Align the handle and thread the screws into the handle. Or thread the mounting studs onto the ends of the screws and tighten. If applicable, use an appropriate size Allen wrench to thread the 2 set screws loosely into the handle. Align the handle on the mounting studs and use the Allen wrench to tighten the set screws. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.